In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate currency settings in your Phantom wallet. Now, if you're new to Phantom, it's a Solana-based wallet known for its user-friendly interface and secure transactions. It's one of the popular choices among crypto enthusiasts, particularly those dealing in Solana tokens. Let's dive right into understanding how currency display works within this wallet. To get started, open your Phantom wallet. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do that first. Logging in will take you to your home page, where you can see all your assets neatly laid out. You'll notice your balance and the different tokens you hold displayed prominently here. For those of us who manage multiple tokens, it's a great way to keep everything organized at a glance. Now, here's an important part to understand about Phantom. Unlike some other wallets that might offer various currency display options, Phantom has its own limitations. Since it's a Solana-based wallet, DAGAAA's wallet, it defaults to showing values in USD. This feature is designed to keep things simple and straightforward, allowing you to see your holdings' worth in a universally acknowledged currency, the US dollar. The USD value you see there is calculated based on the current market price of the tokens you're holding. This means that as market prices fluctuate, sometimes significantly, your displayed balance will update to reflect these changes in real time. It's handy for getting a quick snapshot of your portfolio's value without the need for manual conversions or opening a separate app. At this point, it's crucial to note that Phantom, at least for now, only supports the display of prices in USD. The platform does not offer the ability to change the display currency to another type, like euros or yen, which might be a bit of a bummer for some users, especially those who manage their finances predominantly in currencies other than USD. This limitation might affect how different users interpret the value shown if they regularly deal in alternative currencies. Being informed about how Phantom displays your wallet's value helps you better plan your transactions and understand the worth of your tokens from a global perspective. So while the feature set might seem limited, it is designed to provide a hassle-free experience, minimizing errors that might arise from switching between currencies. That's all there is to it. Understanding and accepting this feature can help streamline your experience with the Phantom wallet. If there are any updates or changes in the future allowing different currency displays, we'll be sure to keep you informed. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and until next time, happy trading!